Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to learn how we can change our ringtone and our notification tune on WhatsApp. So what you just have to do, the first thing you have to do is to go over to WhatsApp. So what you do now, you click on this hamburger icon, this three dots at the top part of your screen, at the top right of your screen. So you just click on it and then you head over to settings. So when you get settings, the next thing you want to do, you want to find notifications. So you click on notifications and then you have, for messages, you have your notification tone, which is pedal as a default. I can actually select others. So you see it. And then for the ringtone, okay, we still have for group. So group notification tone is going to be you might set group notification tone as separate from your normal message notification tone. Then for the ringtone, we just have to scroll down and then under calls, as you can see, we have ringtone. It's set as to default as guitar, but I can actually change it to guitar. Or maybe live. Good. So from here you can actually change it. So if someone calls you on WhatsApp, you're gonna hear that tone which you just changed it to. If it's from a group, you're gonna have the particular notification tone you selected, and then if it's from a message, you're also gonna have same. So this is how you can actually change your message ringtone and notification tone. If you enjoyed this video, please do it to like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to get notified when I create more content later, you can just click on the notification bell. Thanks and do have a nice day.